Bonjour et bienvenue à French Tweets. Today's video is quite useful for those who just begin learning French or who are looking up for French essentials. This video is about the verb être. In French, there are two auxiliary verbs which are also called as the helping verbs, être and avoir. These verbs help you communicate fluently in this language and also to understand other tenses like le passé composé, that is the past tense. Now let's have a look at the verb être. Now let's check the conjugation of the verb être in present tense, that is être au présent de l'indicatif. Try and repeat after me. Je suis, I am. Tu es, you are. Il est, he is or it is. Elle est, she is or it is. On est, we are. Nous sommes, we are. Vous êtes, you are. Ils sont, they are. Elles sont, they are. Now here with vous, I've said vous êtes. Now the sound is of Z. So this is called liaison because we have a vowel after the consonant S. So there is a liaison. Okay? Vous êtes. Now repeat once again after me. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, on est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. I hope you've understood the pronunciation. Now let's have a look at a few examples using the verb être. So here we go. Je suis grande, I am tall. Tu es fatigué ce matin, you are tired this morning. Elle est belle, she is beautiful. Ils sont heureux de se voir, they are happy to see each other. Nous sommes dans la maison, we are in the house. Vous êtes français, you are French. Now I would repeat these once again for you. Je suis grande. Tu es fatigué ce matin. Elle est belle. Ils sont heureux de se voir. Nous sommes dans la maison. Vous êtes français. Now, to practice, I would like you to make your own sentences using the verb être and have a look at the conjugation once again so that you know them well. In case you're traveling and somebody comes up to you and asks you, what is your nationality? That is, quelle est votre nationalité? How would you reply back? Now, to reply to his question, you have to use the verb être. You have to use the verb conjugation of être with your particular nationality. For example, if you want to say I am Japanese, you would say je suis japonais for a boy, je suis japonaise for a girl. Now here I would like you to see that nationalities, they do have a gender. So Japonais becomes Japanese. Chinese, Chinois. Chinois becomes Chinoise. Now let's have a look at the list of nationalities. And then we'll also be learning how to pair it with the verb être to tell the nationality. Now let's have a look at les adjectifs de nationalité. In here we'll be learning about how to make the masculine adjective of nationality into a feminine one. Normally we only add a single E, but the pattern does not remain the same for all the nationalities. So that's why I've tried to categorize the basic ones. Français becomes française. Allemand becomes allemande. Chinois becomes chinoise. Marocain becomes marocaine. Espagnol becomes espagnol. Indonesian becomes Indonesian. Brazilian becomes Brazilian. Russe remains the same, Russe. Belge, again Belge. Turk, the pronunciation is same, but the C is replaced with QUE. Similarly, Grec becomes Grec. Now let's learn pairing the verb être with the nationalities and telling about somebody or your own nationality. Je suis français. Tu es italien. Il est américain. Elle est américaine. On est finlandais. Nous sommes grecs. Vous êtes russe. Ils sont brésiliens. I hope you've understood how to pair nationalities and the verb être. I hope this simple explication of the verb être is clear to you. Thanks for watching the video today. Like, share and subscribe for further videos. Thank you. Merci et bonne journée.